Welcome to this step-by-step guide where I'll show you exactly how to disable Family Center on the Discord app for PC after the new update. Whether you activated it by accident or simply don't need it anymore, following along will only take a minute. First, begin by opening the Discord app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all of your settings. Once the app is open, look down toward the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture along with a small gear icon right next to it. Go ahead and click on that gear icon, which will take you straight into your user settings. Inside the settings menu, you'll notice a list of different options running down the left-hand side. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Family Center. Click on it to open the Family Center menu. This is the feature that allows parents or guardians to keep track of account activities. But if you don't need it, you can easily turn it off from here. Once you're inside the Family Center page, look toward the top right corner where you'll see the option for settings. Click on Settings, and then select the option to disable the Family Center tab. Discord will ask you for confirmation to make sure you really want to disable it. Just confirm your choice, and the feature will be turned off right away. That's all it takes. You've now successfully disabled Family Center on Discord for PC. From now on, the Family Center tab will no longer be active on your account, and everything will function as usual. This quick change can be useful if you want a cleaner Discord experience, or if you prefer not to have extra features enabled that you don't actually use. So, if you've been looking for the simplest way to disable Family Center inside Discord after the latest update, these are the exact steps to follow. Open Discord, click the gear icon, choose Family Center, head into Settings, and disable the tab. It's that straightforward, and your settings are instantly updated once you confirm.